How to get free Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get free Spotify Premium on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just head over to your browser and from in here just type in free Spotify Premium trial. Just select that, and then from in there you can see this get 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. So just click on that. So as you can see, here is Spotify right here, and then in here you can see the 0 trial, so click on it and this will load again into the sign up page of Spotify. So let's wait for it to load. So from in there, you can log in or you can also sign up for Spotify. So if you haven't tried Spotify Premium, then you can log in. But if you have already, just click on sign up right here and it will show you the sign up page for Spotify. So just enter your email, create a password, a nickname, your birth date, your gender, and sign up, and they will send a verification code to you. So let's enter our email right here. So for example, here it is. So create a password, for example. And then the nickname, and then the birthday, and then the year, and then the gender, and then click on sign up right here in order to sign up to Spotify. Then after that, it will proceed to the PayPal page wherein we need to enter the code that PayPal has given us for the 3 months. So just enter the code and that's it. That's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get free Spotify Premium on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.